Let's talk about that 5 a.m. fantasy you keep having. You know, the one where you magically wake up early, drink water like a Greek philosopher, journal a bit, conquer your goals, and then look at everyone else like, rise and shine, peasants. But then reality hits. Your alarm rings at 5 a.m., your soul leaves your body, you slam snooze like it owes you money. Today, we are ending that cycle. You're about to learn exactly how people wake up at 5 a.m. consistently, even if you're a night owl, lazy zombie, or chronic 5 more minutes survivor. No excuses, no fluff. Science plus psychology plus my magic. Let's go. The real reason you can't wake up early. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Waking up early starts 12 hours before your alarm. Your morning is created by your dopamine cycle, your circadian rhythm, your sleep pressure, your brain's reward expectation. You're not lazy. Your brain just says, why wake up? Nothing exciting happens at 5 a.m. So we'll fix that. Step 1. Build a morning reward loop. If waking up feels like punishment, your brain will fight you. So we create the opposite, a dopamine reward. Your first 5 to 10 minutes after waking should include something you look forward to, like a specific song you love, a warm drink, stretching while imagining your dream life, sunrise walk, your favorite aesthetic morning routine. When the brain expects a reward, waking up stops feeling painful. Step 2. The 10-minute rule, your anti-snooze weapon. Tell yourself, I'm not waking up for the whole day. I'm waking up for just 10 minutes. Put your alarm far enough that you must stand up. Once you stand, the sleep hormone melatonin drops. Once melatonin drops, you don't want to sleep anymore. Your job is just to get vertical for 10 minutes. Your body handles the rest. Step 3. The night routine that makes 5 a.m. easy. The biggest lie ever told. Just sleep early. If it were that easy, we'd all be Olympic sleepers. Here's what actually works. 1. The 90-minute wind down. Your brain needs one signal. We are landing the plane. Lights dim. Phone on, do not disturb. No emotional content. No scrolling drama. Warm shower. Low stim activities. 2. Set a reverse alarm. One alarm tells you to wake up. Another alarm tells you to stop being awake. Set a 9 p.m. wind down alarm and obey it like a religion. You won't reach 5 a.m. without respecting 9 p.m. Step 4. Fix the first 30 seconds. How you wake up determines your entire morning. When your alarm rings, 1. Immediately inhale sharply. This wakes the nervous system. 2. Sit up first, don't negotiate. 3. Feet on the floor. 4. Say the line. 5 a.m. version of me greater than sleepy version of me. Identity beats motivation. Step 5. Use the future self switch. If you wake up at 5 a.m. for discipline, you'll quit. If you wake up at 5 a.m. because your future self is counting on you, you'll win. Ask yourself before bed, what will tomorrow's me thank me for? And every morning, imagine your future self watching you like a Netflix character. This is psychology's strongest behavior trick, self-consistency theory. Step 6. The 3-day reset method. Try to wake up at 5 a.m. tomorrow when your sleep schedule is broken equals pain. So do this instead, for 3 nights. Sleep at your normal time, but wake up 20 minutes earlier each day. Example. Day 1, 6:40. Day 2, 6:20. Day 3, 6:0. Day 4, 5:40. Day 5, 5:20. Day 6, 5:0. Your brain loves gradual change. Step 7. The no excuses system. When your alarm rings, you'll feel, but I'm tired. But I slept late. But one day doesn't matter. But the bed is warm, help. Here's the truth. Excuses last 10 seconds. Regret lasts all day. Your job is to win the first 10 seconds. After that, everything becomes easy. Advanced version for those who want God-tier discipline. Early morning anchor task. Choose one important task, only for mornings. Studying, gym, meditation, writing, deep work. Your brain will associate 5 a.m. with progress, making the habit automatic. Light exposure hack. The moment you wake up, turn on bright lights or go outside. Light shuts down melatonin 100 times faster. Temperature hack. Cold water on your face equals instant nervous system activation. You'll wake up like someone slapped you with motivation. Stop lying to yourself. You don't need motivation, you need microdiscipline, and microdiscipline equals the first 30 seconds. Waking up at 5 a.m. won't magically fix your life, but it will give you quiet time, focus, momentum, confidence, identity. You're not waking up early because you have to. You're waking up early because you are becoming the version of yourself you always wanted to be. Just start tomorrow, 5 a.m. No excuses. Your future self is waiting.